Your butt still looks good.
I mean,
It's going right here.
Yeah, shape.
Yeah, that was one of Rick's first requirements, that we wouldn't change the shape of her rear end. Just like that. That wasn't so bad, huh? Boy, you've been missing that, huh?
Yeah.
Medieval. Alright. The left SI joint here. Get back on the right one.
This girl's got a booty. Boop, boop, booty.
There you go. Good, you're
Oh
moving
my
great.
God.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
At all.
Good.
Man. I'm gonna go home and go to sleep.
There we go.
Or actually, I'm gonna run a marathon. Do you
Look
feel
at
that?
that. Oh yeah, you're
Before
moving.
you even yanked
Yep.
it.
Your left, right knee was just a Houston. Pro athletes. Here, I'm going to adjust your left SI first, which is that one that we had the problem with, remember?
Yep.
She had a sacral deviation to the left on her sacral deviation. There you go. Same here, hon. Yep, just keep breathing normally.
Oh.
That's good. I got you. Yeah, don't hold your breath, just exhale. Just like that. There. If you notice, I am adjusting both sides. That's a little tender, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. Good. Drop this in my hand. There we go. Same here. Oh yeah. There you go. Here.
Okay.
There you go. Should have felt that in your knee. There you go. There we go. Perfect. Yep. It's getting better now. The leg didn't get longer or shorter though, so it's negative deer field. So we're going to adjust her left SI joint first, and then move over to her right one. Her sacrum right down the middle, superior to inferior on the. Excellent. Yes, ma'am. And nice and easy. Okay, one more here. Yep. Still got a little tightness. Right there. There it is. Okay. Okay. Let's just adjust her feet while we got her here. There we go. Good. Adjusting her left SI and the left sacrum. Now I'm adjusting her right SI and the right sacrum. And then I'm going to work my way up here. Okay, just keep breathing normal. Good girl. Yep, crack ache's going to love you. Okay, just relax. Okay. Just her shoulders, her clavicles, then her anterior ribs. There, okay. Here. There you go. You should have felt the same here. There we go. Good job. There we go. You're just noisy all over, huh? It's like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. You know what that is, right? A ring dinger. Yep. Here, and we're going to get our first ring dinger under our belt. Just like that. Yep. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Yes.
Did you? And just let your head go in my hand. There you go. That's why we call it ring dinger. So she got down on the right side, so her rib cage is lowered on this right side, so that's where she's feeling the most pressure. And there we go. Okay, that's a little knotty. Even that's a positive knockless, plus that raises the pelvis up and tightens up the lumbopelvic musculature. That's a positive knockless test. Iliac joint here on this right side, which I'm sure that's a little tender right there. Feel that one? Not that bad, not like it was this morning? Tender. Okay, right here? Yeah. She's actually got bilateral sacroiliac subluxations or misalignments. And we get the base squared away, then coming straight down on L5, that was a little tender. There's L4, that was also probably a little tender. There's L3. In these right now, I'm just putting some steady pressure with the right angles. Excellent. Perfect. Good job. Just keep exhaling. That's the girl. That's it. Now she's moving from bottom to top really well. Perfect. That was her atlas and occiput and C2 on the right. And that was the atlas and C2 on the left. And we've already decompressed this. I'm just kind of putting the cervical curve back in here. And then, oh yeah. Baby, that was all the way down too, huh? Boy, oh boy. On how they hold their adjustments and their biomechanical alignment in gravity. And everyone is different from the level of hiatal hernia too. Some people's hiatal hernia has been up to left SI joint and pelvis. Exercise for people who are having chiropractic care, if they do it properly. Oh yeah. One more. Put your head down a little bit. That's it. Okay. That's all. Yep. There we go. One more. www.advancedhoustonchiropractor.com. In the About section, we actually have hyperlinks to the Hyatt Regency across the street, to the Marriott, the Hilton.